So today we will continue the left questions of our exercise 8.1 and our chapter 8 decimal. So let us see our question number 6. So question number 1 is express the following as centimeter using decimal. Using decimals we have to change into centimeter. So we have seen before that the relation is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. It means centimeter is a bigger unit and millimeter is a smaller unit. But here in this question, you have to change from millimeter to centimeter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if we want to find the value of only 1 millimeter, it means from smaller unit to larger unit. It means you have to divide, and we'll divide by 10. 10 will come here in denominator. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. It means you can see that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter and we have to change here from millimeter to centimeter. So in this type you have to divide by 10. So if 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, then question is given as 7 millimeter. So you have to divide by 10. So 7 by 10 and see how many zeros are given. Only one zero. It means from the back you have to put the decimal after one number. यहाँ पर क्या करना है, अगर 10 दिया है, एक ज़ीरो है, इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें एक नंबर के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है. सो 0.7 सेंटीमीटर. So in every question you have to divide by 10 only. Again you can see the relation is 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. If you want to change from millimeter to centimeter, so you have to divide by 10. So divide 30 by 10. So we can get 0 by 0, 3 by 1 which is equal to 3 centimeter, or you can write it as 3.0 centimeter because there is no any value of 0.0. 0.0 का मतलब कुछ नहीं होता, उसे हम 3 सेंटीमीटर भी लिख सकते हैं. Same third one you have to find. Then see question number 4, 7 centimeter 8 millimeter. You can see 7 is already given in centimeter. Only you have to change from 8 millimeter to centimeter. यहाँ पर 7 ऑलरेडी सेंटीमीटर में दिया है इसलिए एज इट इज़ रहेगा, लेकिन 8 मिलीमीटर को हमें सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है. हमें पता है 1 मिलीमीटर होता है 1 बाय 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो विल डिवाइड ओनली 8 बाय 10. So 7 centimeter plus 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means again only one zero is given here. So 0.8. So 7 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter. Now you can see both are in same unit. Now they are same unit. So we can here now 8. So 7 plus 0.8. 7 means 7.0. So 7.8 centimeter. Same fifth one, 1 millimeter 1 by 10. So divide 162 by 10. Here 1 0 is given, it means from the back. 162 में पीछे से from the right you have to put the decimal after one number. So 1 means here 16.2 centimeter. Like this you have to solve the remaining questions. Then see question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number lines are the given number lies? Which of this whole number is nearer the number? So first one you can see this is a number line in which numbers are given from 0 to 12. First one is 0.8. Whole number means here 0 is a whole number and 8 is a fractional part. So we have to see only the whole number. Here 0 is given. So 0.8. It means we know that between each number 0 to 1, 1 to 2 how many fractions, कितने डिविजन्स होते हैं, टोटल 10 डिविजन्स होते हैं. तो 0.8 इसका मतलब है 0.8 किसके बीच में रहेगा, बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू सी नियरर, मतलब वो 0.8 किस नंबर के पास रहेगा. सो देर इज़ वन थिंग दैट इफ़ नंबर इज़ फ्रॉम, अगर डेसिमल के बाद 5 तक हो, 0.5 अगर 5 दिया तो इसका मतलब है 0.5 0 के पास 0.5 किसके बीच में रहेगा, 0 एंड 1 के बीच में. अगर 0.5 तक कोई सा भी नंबर दिया हो इसका मतलब वो 0 के पास है. अगर डेसिमल के बाद 5 से ग्रेटर नंबर है लाइक 6, 7 या फिर 8 हो, इसका मतलब है वो किसके नियरर होगा, 1 के नियरर. सो हियर 0.8 आफ्टर डेसिमल 8 दिया है मतलब 5 से ज़्यादा है, तो ये किस नंबर के पास होगा, 1 के पास. देन सी 5.1. 5.1, here whole number is 5, so it will lies between 5 and 6. And now you can see after decimal here 1 is given, it means it is less than 5. अगर डेसिमल के बाद 5 से छोटा है तो वो किस नंबर के पास में होगा? that near 5. So 5.1 is nearer to 5. Only one thing you have to remember that अगर डेसिमल के बाद 5 या 5 से छोटा है तो वो किस नंबर के पास होगा? पहले मतलब 5 के पास. और अगर डेसिमल के बाद लाइक 8 हुआ या फिर 9 या फिर 6 हुआ तो फिर वो सेकेंड नंबर मीन्स 6 के नियरर रहेगा. लाइक दिस ये फोर्थ वन यू कैन सी 6.4. So 6.4, here you have to see the whole number. Whole number means 6 is given. So it will lies between 6 and 7. And after decimal only 4 is given. It means it is less than 5. So it will lies between, it is nearer to 6. मतलब ये 6 के 6 number के पास है. Then question number 8. Show the following numbers on the number line. Here you can see 4 numbers are given: 0.5, 1.9, 1.1, 3.5, and you have to show this on the number line. So you can see the numbers are given from 0, 1, 1, 3. You have to see the whole number. Whole number means the complete number. क्या दिया है यहाँ पर? 0, 1, 1, 3. It means you have to take the division till 0 to 4. So take this number line. Mark the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As it is, they are given in decimal. So how many divisions you have to make? Total 10 division between each number. हमें हर नंबर के बीच में 10 डिविजन्स बनाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 मीन्स 10 प्लेस पर 1. अगेन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means 2. Like this you have to make 10 divisions. So first number is given 0.5. So 0.5 means on the fifth division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0.5. Then 1.9. 1.9 means after 1 on which point? Ninth point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1.9. Same 1.1 and 3.5. 3.5 means it will, your whole number is 3. 3 दिया है, इसका मतलब है 3 के बाद कितने पॉइंट पर होगा? फिफ्थ डिवीजन पर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3.5. Like this you have to mark. Then see question number 9. Write the decimal number represented by the point ABCD on the given number line. Here you can see the number line is given and letters are given A, B, C and D. Now we have to find the value of ABCD using this. So point A represent. We know that here 0, 1, 2, 3. And how many divisions are given? Total 10 division. So count 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. A के जस्ट एक नंबर पहले, इसका मतलब है 0.9. So A represents 0.9 centimeter. Then same CB. Here 1 is completed, so it will come as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So B is 1.5. Then C. Here you can see that 2 is completed, so 2.1, 2.2. So C is 2.2. Then D. 2.3, then 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. One number before 3. So it means D represent here 2.9 centimeter. Like this you have to read. Then see the last question. Question number 10. The length of a Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. What will be length in centimeter? Here you can see that its notebook is given in centimeter and millimeter, but you have to change from millimeter to centimeter. So what is given? The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. We know the relation that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, so, and 1 millimeter is 1 by 10. So as we have done in the previous question that 9 centimeter is already 9 to centimeter में दिया है, only we have to change 5 millimeter to centimeter. So we'll divide by 10. So 5 by 10 we can write it as 0.5. So 9 plus 0.5, 9.5 centimeter. It means the length of Ramesh notebook is 9.5 centimeter. Like this you have to solve the second one. The length of a young plant is 65 millimeter. So expressed in centimeter, it means only you have to divide 65 by 10 and that will be the final answer. Now see the next topic, as we have done read about tenths. Now see the hundredths. Hundredths means 1 upon 100. 100 के पीछे अगर THS है, इसका मतलब है 100 कहाँ होगा, डिनोमिनेटर में. So let us see. Sudha had 3 rupees 75 paise, and we know that how can you write it as? We can write it as 3.75. और if we expand, मतलब अगर हम इसे expand फॉर्म में लिखें तो 3 plus 0.75 और 3 plus 0.75. How can you write it as 0.75? 75 के बाद कितने नंबर से? 2 नंबर से, 2 digits से, 1 2. So how many zeros will come in denominator? 2. So you can write 3.75 as 3 plus 75 by 100. As since 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. It means here rupee is a greater unit, paise is a smaller unit. यहाँ पर रुपी बड़ा है पैसे से, तो अगर हमें बड़ी यूनिट से स्मॉलर यूनिट में जाना हो, फ्रॉम लार्ज टू स्मॉलर यूनिट, वी ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई. लेकिन अगर हमें स्मॉलर यूनिट से बड़ी यूनिट में जाना हो, कन्वर्ट करना हो, तो हम क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. सेम यू कैन सी 100 पैसे, हम ऐसे इसको रिवर्स लिख लिया, मीन्स 100 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 रुपीज़. पैसे स्मॉल यूनिट है रुपीज़ से, और हमें पैसे से रुपीज़ में चेंज करना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे, 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 1 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय 100 रुपी. सेम if you want to find the value of 75 paise and you want to change into rupees, so it will be 75 by 100 rupee, or you can write it as 0.75. सेम अगर हमें 75 को 100 से डिवाइड करना हो, यहाँ पर कितने ज़ीरोस है, 2 ज़ीरोस. तो हमें फ्रॉम द राइट और फ्रॉम द बैक, पीछे से हमें 2 डिजिट को काउंट करने के बाद ज़ीरोस लगाना है, तो 1 2. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 0.75. इट इज सेम अगर 10 हो तो हमें 1 डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट लगाना है, और अगर 100 हो तो 2 डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट लगाना है. एंड हाउ कैन वी रीड, और रीड कैसे करते हैं, 0.75. इसे 75 नहीं पढ़ेंगे, इसे सिंगल डिजिट पढ़ेंगे, 0.75. दिस इज अ वे वी कैन रीड एनी डेसिमल नंबर. नाउ हाउ टू प्लेस इन द प्लेस वैल्यू. सो 3.75. सो व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू, वी नो दैट इट इज वंस. एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल, डेसिमल के बाद कौन सी प्लेस वैल्यू स्टार्ट होती है, टेंथ्स एंड हंड्रेड्स. देयर इज नो एनी वंस हियर. सो टेंथ्स इट्स मीन्स 1/10, हंड्रेड्स मीन्स 1/100. सो 3.75 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 plus 7 by 10, और 7 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100, or 3 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. And it can be written read as 3.75. You will better understood when we'll solve the questions based on this. So note you can that it is wrong to read 3.75. 75 नहीं पढ़ेंगे हम, इसे कैसे पढ़ेंगे, 3.75. सिंगल डिजिट पढ़ना है हमें. Then we will see some questions on based on this topic hundreds. So let us see the question number first of exercise 8.2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. These are the given numbers are given and place value table is given, and you have to write the numbers. So hundreds, tens, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So first one you can see, you have to write with its place value. So first number is 4 and its place value is 1, means write 4 multiply 1, plus here number is given 3, what is its place value, 1 by 10, so multiply it by 1 by 10. Then plus 5, its place value is hundreds, it means 1 by 100, so you have to multiply by its place value 1 by 100. Then 0 into 1 by 1000. Now multiply 4 ones are 4, plus 3 by 10 means 3 multiply 1 by 10 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. Then 5 by 100. 5 by 100. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. So you have to put the decimal after 2 digit. So here only 1 digit is given. यहाँ पर सिंगल डिजिट 5 है. इसका मतलब हमें क्या करना है, जीरोस को लगाना है. तो कितने डिजिट हो गई, 1 2. So 5 by 100 can be written as 0.05. Then plus 0 into 1 by 1000. We know that if we multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. So after changing into decimal, you have to add all this number. So 4 means 4.0, then 0.3, 0.05, so 4.35. We know that how to add. हमें ऐड कैसा करना है, डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है, और अगर कोई सा नंबर बिना डेसिमल का दिया है इसका मतलब है 4.0, तो 0.3 then 0.05, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है इसका मतलब 0 है, so 0 0 5 5 3 and 4.35. Same, see the second one. Second, what is the place value of second here? Hundreds. So we have to multiply 2 multiply 100. 2 multiply 100 plus. Second one is 0. 0 multiply 10. Then 8. Now you have to multiply with place value. So 2 multiply 100 plus 0 multiply 10 plus third number is 8 and its place value is 1. So 8 multiply 1 plus the next is 6. So 6 multiply 1 by 10 plus then 3. So 3 multiply 1 by 100 plus 0 multiply 1000. So see, 2 multiply 100, 200 plus 0 multiply 10, 0, 8 ones are 8, 6 multiply 1 by 10. So we have seen in first question 6 by 10, it means it can be written as 0.6. Then 3 multiply 1 by 100, it means 0.03, and 0 multiply 1000, 0 only. After this, all add all the numbers. So 200 plus 8, 208.63, and that will be the answer. Like this you have to solve question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. In this you have to multiply each number with its place value, and after that you have to add it. Then see question number 4. Write the following decimal in the place value table. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें नंबर्स दिए और हमें प्लेस वैल्यू टेबल में प्लेस अरेंज करना है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज 0.38. So first of all we will write the place value. We know that place values are ones, tens, 100, means 100 here, 10 here, ones, tens, then 1 by hundreds and 1 by 1000. So 1 by 10 ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, डेसिमल पॉइंट्स के बाद से. So first one is 0.38. First one 0.38. So see its place value. Place value means ones, then it is after decimal. Place value कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, टेंथ से, तो टेंस 1000. So its place value is ones. So ones में हमें क्या लिखना है, 0. यहाँ पर 100 टेंस नंबर्स कोई सा नहीं दिया, इसलिए भी हमें यहाँ पर क्या प्लेस करना है, 0 ही लिखना है. After decimal, which number is given here, 3. It means its place value is tens at 3. Then hundreds 8 and there is no any number given. कोई सा भी नंबर 1000 पे नहीं दिया है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर 0 लगाना है. Same you can see second one 3.08. 3.08. So what is the place value of 3? Ones. So write in ones table. Then 0 here and 8 on hundreds. And the left also you can put it at 0. Then C1 is your homework, and D. See the D1 348.48. So see the place value ones, tens, 100. So in जहाँ पर टेबल में वंस लिखा वहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, 8 and tens 4 and hundreds 3. After decimal it is tens, means at tens place you have to write 4, at 100 8, and there is no 8000 number, it means 0 only. Like this using this you have to solve C and E, and you have to put the numbers in this table value. Here 4th and 5th value is your homework. Then see the next question, question number 5. Write each of the following as decimals. You can see the number is given here with fractions, and you have to change it to decimal. Decimal means with point. So 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 9 by 100. So add this 200 plus 30. 200 plus 30, it means 230 plus 230 and 5 is given, so 235. After that 2 by 10, so 2 by 10 can be written as 0.2. 9 by 100, here 2 zeros are given, it means you have to put the decimal after 2 digits. So 9, यहाँ पर एक डिजिट नहीं दी है, इसका मतलब हमें बस 0 लगाना है, so it can be written as 0.09. After this add all the three numbers, so 235, 0.2, 0.09. 235 is given without decimal, so it can be written as 235.0. Now add. जहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं, यहाँ पर हम 0 प्लेस कर सकते हैं, इसका मतलब 9 होगा. 9, 2.532. So answer is 235.29. Same you can see second one, 237 plus 5 by 100. How can you write it as decimal? 0.05. So 237.05. Then C, 7 by 10, 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. If 1000 is 7 by 10 means 0.7, 6 by 100 0.06, 4 by 1000. Now you can see how many zeros are given, 1, 2, 3. It means you have to put the decimal after 3 digits. So 4, 0, 0.0. So it can be written as 0.004. After this, add all the digits. So if you add 0.7, 0.06, 0.004, so it can be written as 0.764, which is the answer. Nothing you have to do, you have only according to the numbers of zeros given, you have to put the decimal point. Like this you have to solve 5th and 6th one, which is your homework. Then see the last questions of our today's class. Question number 6. Write each of the following decimal in words. Words means in statement. How can you read 0.07? हम उसे कैसे पढ़ते हैं? So 0.07. We know that after decimal we will read each digit as a single only. So 0.07, or you can see the second one, 1.28. In place of point you can take it as decimal also. So how can you write 1.28? हम इसे 28 नहीं पढ़ेंगे, इसे कैसे पढ़ना रहेगा? 28. सिंगल पढ़ना, 1 decimal 28 या फिर 1.28. Both are correct. Then see the third one, 108.56. बिफोर डेसिमल हमें 108 ही पढ़ना है, तो 108 decimal. Point means decimal, and 56 not, it is not 56, it is 56. So 108 decimal 56. So 4th, 5th and 6th is your homework. You have to write in words. So I hope you all have understood today's topic. We will see the next questions of our exercise on the next day of our class.